Ampati, yeah. Ampati, yeah. Ampati, yeah. Ampati, Abba, yeah. Abba, yeah. Abba, yeah. Abba, yeah. Abba, yeah. Abraham, Kim. Gormulahirallah. Bakana. Abba, yeah. Ya gara mana warullah. Abba, yeah. Homera, yeah. Hey, Bonani, yeah. Oh, Hana, Gormullah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Abba, yeah. Rumana. Hey, Gunari, yeah. Kan Ampati oloro afi suke. Ampati oloro. He'll be all right.
Penny, if you have seen a penny, you have seen a suya, if you have seen a penny, we are 1 year, also very, one year, that's a bassa, what fast if you know, we are barren one. Somebody else, if you have seen a penny, or being named John Bois, and the ever chance war.
Sorry. Uncle, how are you today?
How are you?
Fine.
I can see I am dying. I want you to see yourself as an ex-ruler of this town. The council will call on you soon. The council will call on you soon.
Sorry.
Ago. Amen.
Sir, are you to sit unconcerned to allow Ebeye to succeed Ebri?
Nkwatabisa, that is why I have called you. I visited Ebri this morning, and from all indications, he's going to die. So we need to act to eliminate Ebeye.
Hey! Is it not Abeye they say is protected by a supreme being?
Oh, which supreme being? It is a lie.
Okonfo Ampati is a strong ally of Ebiri. So what do you expect? We are going to Donkokro. I learned there is a very powerful priest there. Perhaps she can help us.
Yes. Yeah, I think I agree with you.
Good day. Naima, good day. Naima, I hear you want to see us very, very urgently.
Nanaima, what am I hearing?
My elders, I summoned this emergency meeting due to the unpleasant news I got from Ochiami that Nanebri has been invited by Nanano.
Nanebri and Martin Dream.
Hey!
Anante cho to me, 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 Nana Brown. Nana bro, and I take you to you, and I take you, and I take you to you, and I take you to you, and I take you to you, Nana bro. And I take you to you, and I take you to you, and I take you to you, and I take you to you. Nana se won't answer. Nana bro. Nana bro. Nana bro. Nana jo bro. Nana se jo bro. Nana bro. Nana bro. Nana bro. Nana bro.
You are welcome, my children.
Nana bro.
How may I help you?
Nana. Nana, we are here in peace. Nana, your children need your assistance. We are royals of Tanosu. Nana, but we have been sidelined in the inheritance of the throne. And Nana, this time around, it is being done by one of our nephews called Abeye.
Yes, Abeye.
So, what exactly do you want me to do for you?
To kill him! Yes.
Are you sure about what you are talking about?
Yes, Nana. Absolutely yes.
Think twice. He is your blood.
Nana, kill him!
Yes, exactly.
Nana bro. Nana bro. Nana bro.
It is done.
Take this.
Red clay and 2 feathers of a hawk.
Nana, so can we bring these items later?
Yes. on your way coming. Never. I say never. Use your right leg. Remember, never use the right when you step from your room. Your left leg should be first.
Nana bro. Nana bro.
And I take you. And I take you. And I take you. And I take you. Nana bro. Nana bro. Nana Dubre. Nana Dubre. Nana Adubre. Nana Adubre. Nana bro. Nana bro. Oh. Nana bro.
Take this. In 3 days' time, he will fall sick.
Nana bro.
As soon as he falls sick, begin to pour this concoction onto the ground every morning. It will worsen his conditions till he dies.
Thank you. Nkwanta, you're batting it.
Saint.
Hey.
Matimunka. Oh, you see me money, Aripa. Oh. Ah, Sisia, eh.
Namiatu.
What's why shit? I mean, you why? Why? I mean, you why? You say why? Yo, I must be on my way going now.
Okay. Thanks for coming.
All right. Get well quick, okay?
Yeah, no, now, dear, Munyameni, and Yadia, come there, no, Munyameni, Besana Benti, Munyamen, Yodi Nadia, or the Benkumaji, Munyamen, and if Ripani were where thou were found, Munyamen, when you miss Rasu, you must be out, Munyamen, we are one wire, Ninguas, Munyamen, Besana Benti, Munyameni, Munyameni. Yadia no na odio munyameni. Yadia no na odienti munyameni o. Yadia no na odio munyameni. Yadia no na odienti munyameni. Enya dia kwam de no munyameni. Oya nwa ya ningwa se beka munyameni. Ani bribone da wo afa munyameni. Ya ne dia wadi benkum na agie munyameni. Kwa besana benti munyameni. Oya nwa ya ningwa se beka munyameni. Munyameni. Yadia no na odio munyameni. Yadia no na odienti munyameni o.
Mami Sienti. Now take these herbs. Prepare the concoction for him. Give him a dose every morning, and he'll be all right.
Thank you, Okonfo. I wish this medicine will heal my son. Where from this disease all of a sudden?
Enya dia kwam de no munyameni. Oya nwa ya ni ngwa se be na
Oh, yeah, bro. Oh, Mama,
Oh, man, how?
Do you care for some water?
Oh, it's okay. That's okay. Thank you very much.
Oh, well. You are welcome. What can I do for you?
Openi, we are here in peace. But we have a serious issue at hand.
Serious issue? What is it? Is it life-threatening?
Openi, it's about Abeye. I have observed him for some time now. And there is no proof he will get well soon.
Yes. It is also becoming a worry to the kingmakers. Have you discussed it with your family head?
Openi, that is why we are here. Yes. We can't put the fate of this town in the hands of a bedridden man. So the family is looking for an alternative. Oh, now, country, what do you think?
Oh, it is a good decision.
We shall need your assistance. We shall need your assistance. You need to put this in motion at the council meeting.
Oh, don't worry. We are now without a leader. And you all know, we can no longer wait. I believe the council will accept this arrangement. I will contact the Queen Mother.
Okay.
Oh, got that.
Okay. That's it. Your best requirement.
Yo. That's a P. And then
how is Abaye's health?
Kung Fu. It is getting worse and worse every day.
Not to worry. I know the efficacy of the herbs I give to you. But I'll go into the forest and get more powerful medicine. Do you understand? And he'll be all right. Take heart.
Chudiampo nyame. Nsa. Asasi ya. Nsa. Nananom nsamanfo. Nsa. Musenyi.
Abaye is very sick. You, my ancestors, my predecessors, you who have guided me all these years, show me the leaf to use to heal him at once.
As I have already explained, we need to make a decision on Anebri's funeral. But not until we have a new king. And at the moment, Abaye is incapacitated. So I suggest the family should nominate another person.
My elders, Nana Hima has a point. None of us here can predict when Abaye is getting well. His condition keeps on deteriorating every day. Let's decide now.
I'm paying for him. Mina him I again. Quite be asro or subscribe powerful.
I hope the proceedings of this meeting will be carried to the family to make another nomination.
So, Kwata, have some more drink.
Yes. Let's enjoy our drink. So, you were telling me about the market?
Yes. When I went to the market, I saw one big antelope. And to my biggest surprise, they said they killed the antelope right there in the market.
I go.
Amen. Hey! Conti! Come and have a seat.
Thank you.
Hey, Conti! Conti! So how are you?
Fine.
Good.
Yeah. Oh, sorry to have interrupted you. I have good news for you.
Good news?
Yes. The council members have agreed to your proposal. Yes.
Hey! I've agreed to our proposal.
Yes.
Oh, I don't want to trade on Ponyami. Insania. Hey, me body in here, man.
The team will become king very soon.
Gada.
Oh. That's great. So,
Country.
Now, going to have this piece.
No, have it. No, have it.
Thank you very much.
Don't mention it.
Thank you very much.
Don't mention it.
Gunta, thank you.
Oh! It's a day of victory.
Oh, thank you very much.
We should rather be thanking you.
Yes.
You've done a great job for us.
Conti! Gunta! I won't take much of your time. I will see you tomorrow.
No. Country. Sit down. Please enjoy some drinks with us. Let us celebrate. Yes. Oh. Yes. Country. Take some drink. Take some drink.
Ampat, yeah. Ampat, yeah. Ampat, yeah. Ampat, Abba, yeah. Abba, yeah. Abba, yeah. Abba, yeah. Abba, yeah. Abraham, Kim. Gormulahirallah. Makana. Abba, yeah. Ayagara man warullah. Abba, yeah. Homera, yeah. Hey, Gonania. Oh, Hanna, Gormullah. Oh, Diara. Abba, yeah. Rumanuya. Hey, Gonaria. Ampati oloro afi suke. Ampati oloro. He'll be all right.
Penny, if you have seen a penny, you have seen a suya, if you have seen a penny, we are 1 year, also very, one year, that's a bassa, what fast is your we are barren one. Somebody else, if you have seen a penny, or being named John Bois, and the ever changed so, if you are now what fast, the very old the beauty. Somebody else, if you have a penny, if you are Japan, yeah, to Chacha, what do you go to Chacha? Better than Musaka. Yami, I'm 1 ground, and be a more. If you have seen a penny, if you are Japan, and free Musango, the baby, oh, if you have seen a penny. If you are not here, and if you want somebody, baby,
Watabisa, family members. Now it is clear Abeye is going to die. So we have to start looking for a substitute from our side to replace him.
Yes, you are very right.
I suggest we nominate Nyanting.
Because he's a perfect substitute to Abeye. Eh? Oh, Crapper, don't you agree?
I have nothing to say. I see it as an honor.
Okay, we will start grooming him immediately. Quantabisa and myself will see the kingmakers and implore them to start looking for a substitute.
Everybody that was fun. Yeah, what the Benkumunati. Basana Benti. We are 1 wire in Guasiabacam. Munyamendi. Yadiano now, dear Munyamendi. Yadiano now, dear T. Munyamendi.
Are you sure Abeye is going to die soon?
So you mean you couldn't see how he looked? I don't think he will live to see tomorrow.
Nyanti, can't you see? Nyanti, can't you see yourself?
Eh? Nyanti,
look at the man lying down there.
Yeah, Mama, how are you now?
Yeah, we see you.
Mama, how are you?
Yeah, nice.
Nyanti, whatever be the case, he would die.
Look, if he doesn't die,
don't call me your uncle again.
So if Abeye dies, I will succeed Nanabri.